Hey guys, it's Ashley Gilbert and I'm here at Fireworks Show. Let's get this started! Of course!
Yes. Not, of course not. Shut up. Oh, Jesus. What did I
Jacob, watch fireworks.
It lights up, then it booms. Hey, dude. Let's hold it for 1 quick second. Why? Just hold it, please. Oh my God! Look at all that! Look at all the lightning bolts.
I know.
Hold it himself.
Okay, now give me it. Hold on, give me it. I want to see it. No! Yeah! It's freaking $30. Now give it back. You hurt my leg. Just give me it. You hurt my leg. Don't. Please don't.
Ryan, give it back.
It doesn't even fit on your head. It's supposed to fit one head only.
Wow, now isn't that beautiful, guys?
Here's the voice changer that it said in the commercial. That was a cheap voice changer.
Jake, are you watching fireworks?
Why is your pet added iron?
Come here, watch fireworks. Come here.
I need something. Wait, what did you
Okay, look, all the... Oh, you can't see them, but there's lightning bugs.
You killed me.
Well, this is more interesting.
I am my leg. You are no match for me. You are no match for me. I'm gonna hit you in the back.
They're not going to come towards you.
I'm not
Ryan,
Oh, wow, that one was beautiful.
hey, stop it. You're not afraid. Actually, you need to go up there.
Not as good as the ones that I see every year on the 4th of July, but you know,
In the field way over
it works.
there. The fire
Guys, come
department
here. Can I tell you something?
shooting them with
Dude! What's your freaking name?
What?
Ryan! Ryan! What? Wait, let me get up there. Ezra, hold it. How do I put it down?
That side.
Ha!
This way.
That is probably 20 years old. Yeah, give me my mask now.
The lights make it hard to see.
Ryan! What's his name, Ezra?
Right.
Can I tell you something? Five Nights at Freddy's fan much? No! I had no idea this girl was gonna wait.
Oh, wow, my camera is crappy.
Yeah?
I haven't seen Andrew since the last day of school.
Still, I haven't.
Okay.
Yes!
I was. And I
No,
still
it's
am.
sarcasm. Do you know where he is? Yeah, come here!
What?
I don't want to.
Oh, so I'm visiting him next week. So.
I don't want
Oh, wow. Look at that hillside. Yeah, I've seen better.
Get away. Stay back. All I have to do is just run. There, brother, the sword.
Yes, you may.
Let's go.
As long as you don't break it. And we're following the flashing lights.
Hey guys, I am Darth Vader.
Is that it?
Oh my god, that was big.
It was.
Hold on, I'm gonna put this mask on. I'm just gonna put that up.
Yeah, no, it's easier to see with it off.
My Coca-Cola hurt. I almost dropped my Coca-Cola. I am Batman.
That does not work.
No, potato.
Okay.
Not
No,
today.
I like train. Look, son, it's an airplane. What are those? Wait, Batman's saying, what are those? Well, put the mask down. Come on. Whoa.
What are these?
Funny enough, he still isn't bored of Undertale. I can't believe he's still not bored of it yet.
I played freaking tattoo, bros. Boy Scouts? I played. Oh, team. Oh my god.
You are a win.
Oh my god.
I am a monkey.
I can't see you.
What are you doing?
I am
You
Darth
shouldn't be doing
Vader.
that. Slap. You shouldn't be
Do
doing
the voice.
Hey, you guys stop.
Die.
Statue say that's my neighbor.
Is this the Ezra? Is this the slide?
No, that's not a slide.
Oh,
Do not follow his YouTube channel.
That's the rock wall.
take off my mask. I'm gonna go down it now. Dude, take off my mask. I'll let you wear my
I would
mask.
laugh if you
No,
went
I don't
down
want you to
that
get my mask.
slide.
No,
I
it's
would
fine.
laugh.
I am Darth Vader.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna say goodbye. So,
I am freaking
sayonara. Peace out.
Mask back.
Peace out, lovely. Stay beautiful. Bye.